This is the newly modernized elevator here at the red parking deck near JCPenny, Roosevelt Field Mall, Garden City, New York. That's where the old lantern was. Oh jeez. Wow. This is a very nice new cab. Buttons feel weird. Look how fast this thing goes. It's a lot faster than it was.
First floor.
You can see the, it got a new track there, but that one's kept original. Alright, let's listen to the motor start up.
Third floor.
These buttons feel weird. I don't know what it is, they just feel weird. They're TR, but they just like feel weirder. It's an Excel mod. It's the fan probably. We'll look out the window on the way up.
First floor.
Look at the fire service on this floor. Nice and standard. Got Janus sensors on it. This is much nicer than last. Right, let's watch the window.
Third floor.
This is 1,000 times better than what it was. Let's see how loud this chime is. Oh, it won't do it. Looks like the track got replaced up here as well. Yeah, these buttons, they just feel weird. I don't know what it is. Alright, we'll have to close again. Here it goes, and that's it. Very well done, mod.